Movie starts and we see a lady who was the lawyer. She solves the case of a girl. After court, when the lady comes back to her home, then we see her two daughters who were playing outside the home. We also see her husband who was packing his clothes. Actually, he was going for taking his son Alex. Alex was from his first wife. When the man goes, then the lady goes to the parlor. When she comes back, then she gets very surprised to see the condition of the home. Actually, the home was in very bad condition. Alex had come to the home. Then the lady collects all his clothes and put them into Alex's room. After that, they all gather for tea break. All the family members were very happy because of Alex. One day, when the lady comes back to home, she sees that Alex was playing with her daughters. That night, Remy, who was Georgia's husband, comes late from office. Georgia and Remy, they both spent some time together. Next day, when Remy was ready for going to the office, he sees Alex, who was playing some games in mobile phone. Remy talks with him for some time. Then he goes to the office. That day, Georgia, with her sister, comes to the home. She again sees the home in very bad condition. There was no one in the home. Georgia's purse had also been stolen. When she was ready for calling police, then Alex comes there. He was very surprised to see all this. In the next scene of the movie, we see that Georgia was talking with her client. Georgia finds the keychain in Alex's clothes. She understands that Alex is thief because that keychain was in her purse that had been stolen. After that, they all go for swimming in the pond. When they were coming back, then Alex sees Georgia with very strange eyes. The next morning, Georgia and Alex spend some time together. That night, Alex comes to the home with his friend. Georgia was not happy to see his friend. Next day, Remy's some friends come to the home. When Remy was busy with his friends, then Georgia comes to the garden and talks with Alex for some time. They both go outside for spending some time together. At night, when Georgia comes back to the home, then Remy was very angry with her because she had gone out of home without saying goodbye to his friends. Next day, when Remy comes back to the home, he meets with Georgia's sister. They all were very happy. Remy spends some of his time with his daughters. At night, Georgia goes to talk with Alex. They both attract towards each other and spend some time together. After this day, they like to talk with each other. They both like each other's company. One day, when Georgia was celebrating her daughter's birthday, then Georgia's sister sees her with Alex. She gets very angry with her and goes from there. Georgia tries a lot to convince Alex. She says him that it's better to stop this friendship here. Next day, Alex goes back to his mom. Georgia was not happy. She was missing Alex a lot. One day, when Remy comes back to home, then they all do dinner. He talks with Georgia. From his talking, Georgia gets to know that Alex has told everything to Remy. Georgia tells Remy that Alex is telling him lie. She did not do anything wrong with him. Next day, Remy calls Alex to home for talking face to face. But again, Georgia gets success. Then Alex goes from there. Georgia, with her family, celebrates Christmas. They all were very happy. Then, at night, Alex comes to meet with Georgia. They spend some time, and after that, Alex goes from there for forever. And here, movie ends. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe for watching more videos like this.